Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial on this channel. I am Szabi. I will show you how to use the Multilive plugin to stream to Facebook Live. Because I missed this in the tutorial videos for the Multilive, I only showed live streaming to YouTube and to Twitch. So let me show you now how to stream to Facebook Live. To get things started, you need the plugin to be installed, and you also need to have FFmpeg on your server. So you should have a VPS server or some server that accepts custom module installation on your Linux or Windows server. So after this is done, you can go to Multistream now and enter here the Facebook live streaming server URL. To get this, you should go to your Facebook page where you wish to live stream and click on live button. Here click connect, and this is the server URL you need to copy. So copy this URL and paste it here in the streaming server URL settings field, and copy the persistent stream key and paste it here in the channel stream key settings field. The rest of settings can be left at default if you wish. Now save settings, and now we can go ahead and publish a video. For this, go to posts, add new. I selected this video, Golden Goose, from YouTube. Give it a title, embed it in the content of the post, embed the video in the content of the post, like this, simply by pasting the URL into the post content, and it will be automatically embedded. And now click publish. And this is all you had to do to make things work. You can refresh this blog to see if the post was published, and now we should go to our Facebook Live interface and wait a couple of seconds. And the live is already starting. Now we have some info, bitrate, frame rate, and if I move this video, I can go live. And after I went live, the plugin will send the live stream directly to Facebook, and viewers will be able to watch the live stream. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy this plugin, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.